How to make a public profile on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. A public profile allows you to post on Spotlight and let people find your profile even if you are not friends with them. So to get a public profile, open your Snapchat application on your device. You'll be led to the camera. Tap on your profile icon or your Bitmoji on the left side of your screen and scroll down. You will see the option for public profile here. If you do not see the option for public profile, then tap on the settings button on the right side of your screen and scroll down until you see privacy controls. There, tap on View My Story and change it to Everyone. Tap on Contact Me and select Everyone. Tap on See Me in Quick Add and toggle on the button for See Me in Quick Add. Basically, the gist here is to make all your privacy settings public, and maybe then you will be able to see public profile option. If you still do not see the option for public profile, then it probably is because you have not reached 18 or above. So go ahead and change your birth date. Now go back and tap on public profile. You will see show your name and build your public profile descriptions. You can go through it if you want, and now tap on get started. You will receive a pop-up. Tap on create. With this, your public profile will be all set. You can tap on My Public Profile and make further changes such as add a cover photo. You can tap on Edit Profile and add bio, location, etc. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.